So if the funds in your account are running low and you think you might need to borrow some extra money to make it till payday, it's worth spending a little time having a look at your different options. Try and avoid just going over your overdraft limit because you'll have to pay expensive bank charges. And also try not to turn to expensive payday loans. Instead, just speak to your bank and see if they might be able to extend your overdraft limit. Or have a look at your options with credit cards. Some offer 0% on money transfers, which let you transfer money straight into your account.
The other thing you can do is double check all your direct debits. Make sure that what you've got coming out of your account is actually things that you're using. You could be, for example, using a Spotify and an Apple Music. Likelihood is you don't need both. Just make sure that everything that's coming out of your account is things you're actually needing.
One sacrifice that you might have to make in order to save some money before payday is to cut down on your socialising bill. You could stay in and cook rather than go out for an expensive meal, or just stay in and watch TV rather than going to the cinema or going out for drinks with friends.
One good way to get some extra cash to last you to payday is to have a look at what you've got in storage that you no longer use. We've all got lots of items in the attic or in the garage that are just gathering dust, so clean them up and get them ready to sell online. Websites like eBay or Gumtree are great, or you could even think about doing a car boot sale.
One of the quickest and easiest ways to save a bit of money is to take your own lunch into work. Prep it the night before, take a lunchbox in, and you're probably going to save yourself between £3 and £5 a day. Over the year, that's an awful lot of money.
And finally, if you are struggling this month, it's probably worth taking a step back and having a look at the bigger picture. Why not draw up a budget to see where you could save? Look at things like your energy bills, your mortgage, or your insurance. For more help on how to do this, visit money.co.uk.